First one in the world on 30, 2022. What's happening, gang? What up? My boy Gilbert, GMC's World. Y'all check him out. He about to come pick me up. We finna go check out the truck, see what all they done did. But I want y'all to check out these babies. They looking real good. Look at that boy. You don't see this. Look at that boy. Look at that girl. Look at her eyes. Look into them eyes, man. Look at the mom. I got old Bart. Bart is cutting up, man.
That's all I'm asking.
Alright, gang, I'm with a little bald head.
Gang, gang.
We finna go check out this truck, see what all they got done.
I got my eye right there. That's what made me want one.
That's what made him want one.
Right there.
Right there.
Oh, 2020?
Yes, sir. So we about to go check it out. Man, y'all, we just out here in Jacksonville trying to show y'all the good stuff we got going on, not the negativity.
A lot of it.
We trying to show y'all the good side of Jacksonville, so y'all help these channels grow, man. That's what we try to do, grow. You know, that's what happened with our life. People stopped supporting us, so we stopped growing. That's why we so little.
Exactly.
So y'all help us grow now. Help the channel grow at least.
It's free. It's free to subscribe.
Free and easy.
It costs
one button. Yeah, but see y'all when we get there.
Cam shot your ass.
Driving, I ain't never waste no time. Watch out, I ain't never duck shit. I stay up on that fork shit'll get your head bust quick. Come here, run them down. I show 'em how that glizzy sound. I ain't never been a watch out, sit down. Watch out, bro, don't fuck 'em up. Ain't hopping out that Sprinter truck. I stay up on that. Yeah, I love it, I fuck 'em up. They ain't about to double up and watch how we just fuck 'em up. We shitting on these niggas. It's a sport who wants some war with us. Bitch, I'm smoking shit. Yeah, you know.
We up here. Y'all check them out. They do some of everything like we said. Live, light work. We gonna get in here and see what all they do. Let them tell y'all if somebody wanna talk to us. How you doing?
Alright.
Y'all check them out. Y'all got good prices, right?
Huh?
Y'all got good prices?
Of course.
Y'all gonna beat these other shop prices?
Of course.
Y'all hear that? Y'all hear it now. Check them out. They beating shop prices, putting them out of business. Y'all see the work, the rims, plenty of truck rims, American Forces. Y'all know. Lifters, they got lift, lower kit. Y'all see some of the product. Let's get a car. all in a row. More progress, gang. More progress.
Everything's done, just track volume. Oh, this? No, I want to polish that out.
What?
Because this would have been black, these would have been black.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, that would have looked crazy too. Oh yeah, yeah, you definitely needed all that.
I got to do that. What's up with the control arms? These right here? Yeah, I got to do that. But I'll probably get some time next year once I get ready to do it really in. They showed me the what's name. Can I see the cover? Yeah. It didn't look like it was candy. It looked like it was red. I got one in here.
Okay. You got one. All right, gang, we here. First one on 30s. He ain't put his caps on. What the fuck?
Yep. Hey, what the fuck you cap at?
That's what I just said. He put the caps on.
Huh?
Y'all check it out.
They ain't got nail one of the caps on.
He finna take them back off though.
Why?
To put the lights behind, they ain't do it.
So he gonna take them off?
No,
He
no,
ain't gonna
whoever
take 'em off.
no, he finna take it to the shop.
Yeah, cause he ain't gonna take the motherfuckers off. Shit. Nigga be out here all day gonna take these.
One on them all.
The fuck?
Y'all check it out.
But yeah.
Y'all, you gotta take it to two more shops to get the lights put on it. Yeah, get a train horn put on it. But y'all see it. Y'all see what time it is. Y'all check it out. That's what that is.
Yeah.
Making that fuss.
Yeah, that's his little ass. Where his little short ass at?
Rob, he's supposed to be unloading these damn tires.
They took the spell.
Oh yeah, they did. Did they put that piece of, no, what the fuck? They ain't even put that on.
What's up, little ass nigga? Cooler. Why they take your spell?
Huh?
Why they take your spell?
I can hear you.
The spare tire.
You said why they took it?
Why they take it off?
No, I'm putting what's the name on that?
What?
You know I got train horn.
Oh, you
That's
put
what
that,
train
oh.
horn
Why they ain't put the thing under it?
What?
The piece you told them to, the ordering piece.
You waiting on it.
They said, fuck it, get this bitch out of there.
I'm so sick of the motherfucker. Bro, what around my damn room, bro?
He's I walk around my damn room.
They look good though.
Just shit.
Oh yeah, they scratched it, scuffed it a little
That
bit.
ain't that but the stick that they used to put the
Yeah.
what's the name on, but am I wrong to be pissed?
Hell nah, that's what they supposed to know.
Yeah. But no, he talking about that's just how
Hell
this,
nah,
that, and the third.
mine
You
ain't
don't
like
think
that.
I recorded them bitches 1,000 times, many times.
Mine ain't like that.
It's,
This bitch big.
Danny got my shit all nicked up. You don't see the shit right here? Look at my roof. Man, oh boy, look at my look at my roof. Look at my roof, man.
Yeah, I see.
Come on, man.
I remember that. Look at my room.
Who said that?
A nigga with a bird. He had a face shot. Look at my roof. Look at my roof, man. Nigga, they want to leave without that roof getting right.
Oh yeah, they did.
Come on, man.
They did. Look at the roof. Damn it.
And they put the what's the names on though? The spikes on.
Didn't I tell them I want them?
Yeah, they still put them bitches on. Fuck what you said, they gonna put them on.
Nigga, I said I do not want them little motherfuckers.
You gonna put some bigger ones on?
Yeah, that's what Gilbert told him.
Bigger spikes?
Yeah, they put them bitches on. He gonna take them.
Nigga put some Inky Momos on my shit. Niggas do what they want to do, bro. After you tell a nigga how you want this shit.
How I ride? Ride good? Damn, don't ride good?
I was gonna sit this shit. I don't know. Like, if I get used to it.
He thought I gotta
was
get
going
used
faster
to
than
it.
sister, though.
Yeah, you was, cause you sure was flying here.
Shit, I have to go fast this 60 to get out of time.
Him and the Mark ride behind each other, so they'll be good.
Man, fuck out of here.
Slow riders. They ain't the low rider, they the slow
Hey,
riders.
it should take me 4 hours to get
Nigga, I hate to see you ride to Orlando. Jesus. You gotta start Thursday.
I'll go down to 6. So don't worry about it.
Start Thursday. We'll fly past you. Full of cars and all. Woo! They be like,
Then I ain't gonna get that till Sunday.
Damn. The whole event be over there. What the purpose?
Yeah, you got it right though. It look good. Gotta get the kink side.
Look at my
After that, I put that front, all that shit up there.
And did the bumper thing come? The spacer?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see
Shit,
it
I
too.
still gotta cut most. This shit.
It's still rubbing?
Yeah, so I probably do gotta go high, but I don't wanna go high. Let me cut this bitch to the nitty gritty and took the other bottom piece off. But now it's starting to turn. I could cut short,
Yeah.
but that bit like I would have to nick that a bit. I don't like that shit. I'll nick that motherfucker.
Yeah.
Now I gotta go find a motherfucker, put this damn lights on.
That's gonna be hell, I'm telling you. Huh? Dooley? What?
That's your second, third one.
Nah, that ain't my shit.
That's your shit.
No, I'm in the low. I came over here with Gilbert. No, I ain't fuck with no more Doolers. These fucking trucks a headache. I like it though. Y'all see where we at over here. Little gear about to get some work did. They come. Y'all see this motherfucker. Let me let y'all check it out ride. First one in the world on 30, 2022. Now let's see it get out. We might could get out pretty easy. See, y'all see it, he no taller than the truck. We finna go viral. We finna go viral. Soon as you get out, they gonna see how little your ass is.
It's a long way down, ain't it?
They gonna be like, damn.
It's a long way down.
How the fuck did his little ass get in that motherfucker?
God damn it. Hey, got to be more careful.